हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मेरिडियन ओवरसीज। अगर आप टॉप काउंसलर से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लाइव अपनी काउंसलिंग चाहते हैं, तो आप डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। अपने किसी भी काउंसलर के साथ आप डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन करवा सकते हैं, वीज़ा फाइल सबमिशन करवा सकते हैं। तो वेबसाइट विजिट करें और अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करें ताकि आपकी सारी प्रोसेस स्मूथ रहे।
Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Visa and Immigration Updates. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest and useful videos. In 2014, Canada revised and published new rules for obtaining student visas and opportunities for foreign students in Canada as part of the International Student Program. The new rules came into force in June 2014. The first concerns the accreditation of educational institutions that are authorized to issue invitations for obtaining a student visa, and the second concerns the work opportunities of foreign students during their studies. Before getting into the work opportunities, students need to focus on their academic performance. Help from qualified specialists, like Excel homework help, can be very advantageous for any student. Designated Learning Institution Number, official registration of educational institutions. The most basic rule concerns the recognition of educational institutions that have the right to teach foreign students. This means that only universities and colleges authorized by the province have the right to issue invitation letters, based on which a student receives a student visa to Canada. The government recommends that international students check their status and recognition by the province before applying to an educational institution. Each province determines those educational institutions that can accept international students. After that, the university or college is assigned a certain registration number, designated learning institution number. The process of obtaining this number by educational institutions continues until now, but in 2014, Citizenship and Immigration Canada, CIC, launched a search system for recognized universities and colleges on its website. We suggest that students use this website before applying for admission to avoid further stress associated with obtaining a visa. You can find an educational institution by name, or simply by selecting the province or territory of interest. How to get a student visa to Canada and a work permit. Check the educational institution. Important. The registration number of the educational institution must be indicated in the invitation letter that the student submits to the embassy. Students must enter this number in the visa application process. As of June 2014, when the rules just came into action, 1,010 educational institutions in Canada received this number. Most of them are located in the provinces of British Columbia, 272, Ontario, 420, Quebec, 176. But each of the provinces or territories of Canada has at least one educational institution with a designated learning institution number. Please also note that this designated learning institution number is assigned only to those educational institutions that provide programs for international students lasting at least 6 months. The designated learning institution number is assigned automatically to primary and secondary schools in Canada. Students work while studying in Canada. The second change in Canada's immigration rules concerns the work of students. The new rules allow students who study in Canada based on a student study permit to work 20 hours a week during their studies and full-time during the holidays. To do this, international students do not need to obtain additional documents and work permits. These and other rules were established to avoid illegal immigration. We believe that the new rules benefit international students, because first of all, a student who chooses a college or university in Canada can be confident in the level of education provided. The designated learning institution number makes it possible to confirm the status of an educational institution and weed out those that are not worthy of attention and time. The opportunity to work during the training period is one of the main factors that affect the choice of an educational institution in Canada. This is an additional income, an opportunity to cover the costs of accommodation and food. In addition, work experience can be added to the resume in the future. Detailed information about the changes for international students can be found on the website, Citizenship and Immigration Canada, CIC. We recommend using only this resource to search for any information related to obtaining visas to stay in Canada, a residence permit, and a work permit. The cost of studying in Canada, at universities and colleges. The cost of higher education in Canada is affordable for students. There is a myth about free education in Canada. But those who seriously thought about studying in this country know that higher education in Canada is paid. The cost of studying at universities and colleges in Canada is much lower than in other English-speaking countries such as the United Kingdom, the United States, or Australia. This fact makes Canada the most attractive country for international students. According to the OECD study, Canada ranked second among the most educated countries in the world. 26 universities in Canada were included in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings. You can write endlessly about the advantages of Canadian higher education, but let's look at the cost of studying in Canada in detail. The cost of studying at universities in Canada. The cost of studying at colleges in Canada. Additional costs associated with studying at universities and colleges in Canada. Why is the cost of training important? Students should take into account the cost of tuition and related expenses when choosing Canada for higher education. To obtain a Canadian student visa, you will need to show a certificate from the bank with the corresponding amount on the account. 1. The cost of studying at universities in Canada. The cost of studying at universities in Canada is much higher than at colleges, but also lower than in the UK, USA, Australia, and Ireland. The price depends on the year of study, the curriculum, the diploma, the province in which the university is located. For example, the universities of Newfoundland are the lowest in terms of tuition fees in Canada. The universities of the province of Ontario are the most expensive. The most affordable universities in Canada. We offer you a list of 5 universities that we consider the most affordable for students. Thompson Rivers University, Simon Fraser University, University of Winnipeg, University Canada West. The cost of studying at prestigious universities in Canada. The price of higher education in Canada varies depending on the prestige of the educational institution. The most expensive universities are considered to be the top universities that have entered the world rankings of the best. University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, McGill University, University of Montreal. In addition to the high cost of tuition, universities are famous for the most stringent requirements for foreign students. Foreign students cannot enter the University of Toronto or British Columbia without an additional preparatory year of study. The cost of studying at Canadian colleges. If the cost of studying at universities in Canada is high for you, do not despair. You can get a prestigious education, bachelor's degree, professional diploma or certificate, and postgraduate education at Canadian colleges. Additional expenses at universities and colleges in Canada or fees. You have noticed that the tuition fees on the pages of colleges and universities in Canada also indicate additional costs. They are mandatory for all students without exception. What additional expenses can you have? Insurance, from $400 Canadian per semester. Educational materials, textbooks are not included in the tuition fee, from $500 Canadian. College and university service fee, from $300 Canadian per year or semester. Technology fees, from $200 Canadian. Be prepared that the bill for payment will come for $1,000 more, taking into account additional costs. Thanks for watching this video. For any further information, kindly contact us on the email mentioned on the screen. Thank you.